are going to start our next lesson, capital and small letters. Are you ready, children, to learn these letters? Do you know the differences between capital A and small a? Right. We have learned, no? We have learned capital letter also and small letter also. Now, children, look at the board and see the differences between in these two letters, capital A and small a. Okay? See, children, this is capital A and this is small a. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Capital A, small a.
Raja and Rani, make them learn capital and small letters. Good, children.
Come on,
all of you read loudly. Capital A, small a. Now look at the board, children. This is capital B, small b. Okay? All of you repeat these letters. Capital B, small b. See, children, this is capital C, small c.
All of you read along with me. Capital C, small c. C for cat.
Children, this is the next letter. Capital D, small d. D for dog. Bhav. D for dog. Capital D, small d. Okay? See, children, next letter. Capital E, small e. E for elephant.
All of you read loudly. Capital E, small e. E for elephant.
Children, are you all reading? Okay. Look at the board. Next letter. What is the next letter? Capital F, small f. F for fish. Very good. All of you read and learn. Okay? Capital F, small f. F for fish. Children, now we are going to learn next letter. Okay? G for gun. Capital G, small g. Very good.
G for gun. Capital G, small g.
Children, are you able to understand? Good. Look at the board and see. This is the next letter. Okay? Capital H. And this is small h. H for hat. Now your turn, children. Read loudly. My dear friends, all of you read and learn. Okay? This is capital H and small h. Good. Children, our next letter is capital I, small I. I for ice cream.
Children, all of you read. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream.
Tell me, children, what is the next letter? Which letter will come after I? Good, very good. J for jug. Capital J, small j. See the differences between this capital J and small j. Okay, children?
My dear friends, read this letter. Capital J, small j. J for jug.
Let us learn, children. K for kite. Capital K, small k. In our previous class, I told you, children, kites fly in the sky. Did you remember what I said to you?
Ma'am, shall I read the letters? Capital K, small k.
Now let us learn. L for lion. See this capital L and small l. See the differences in these two letters, children? Very good. Reena, you read now, beta.
Ma'am, this is capital L
Very good students. Good going. Have you all understood, children? Good. Very good.
Ma'am, shall I go to my place?
Yes, go to your place. Children, now move to next letter. Okay? What is the next letter? Tell me. Already you have learned all the letters. Capital K, L. Next letter is M. M for mango. This is capital M and this is small m. Okay, children? Mahi, now your turn. Read these letters, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ready. Capital M, small n.
Ma'am, shall I read one more time? Capital M, small m. M for mango. Ma'am, mango is my favorite fruit. Ma'am, I like mango very much. Now children, we are going to learn next letter. Next letter is N for nest. N-E-S-T, nest. See children, look at the board. This is capital N and this is small n. Very good.
Ma'am, I saw a nest on the tree while I am coming to school. Ma'am, हमने देखा है नेस्ट को, चिड़िया के घोंसले को. मैं स्कूल आते समय झाड़ पर नेस्ट था मैम. Ma'am, shall I read these letters now? Capital N, small n. N for nest.
Very good, Pintu. Good boy. Okay, go to your place now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, children, I am going now. New teacher will come to your class now. Okay? देखो बच्चों, क्लास में कचरा नहीं डालना है. क्लास को अपने नीट रखना है. ओके? यहाँ हम डस्टबिन रखे. इसी में आपके पेपर्स जो भी आप खाए वो सब इसी में डस्टबिन में डालना है. ओके? वरना हमको क्लीन करने बहुत मुश्किल होता है. Children, keep your classroom neat and clean. Okay?
Good morning, children. I am your new teachers. My name is Soni. Okay, let us learn now capital and small letters. Okay? Till capital N, your teacher taught you, and now we are going to learn next letter, capital O and small o. Okay? Look at the board. This is capital O and this is small o. O for orange. O for owl. Did you remember, children? Anyone come here and read this letters?
Ma'am, shall I read?
Yes, read.
Ma'am, this is capital O and this is small o. O for orange.
Very good. Go to your place now. Now we are going to learn next letter. Okay, children? P for parrot. P for pen. See, children, look at the board. This is capital P and this is small p. Okay? Bablu, you read these letters now. Okay? Okay, ma'am. This is capital P and this is small p. P for parrot. P This is capital T and small t. T for tiger. T for tree. टोफू, tell me. मुझे बताओ, टाइगर कहाँ रहता है? आपने देखा है टाइगर को? Yes, ma'am. I saw a tiger in the zoo. हाँ मैम, मैंने टाइगर को जू में देखा है। अभी टोफू कभी टी नहीं भूलेगा। टी से टाइगर होता है। टोफू ने टाइगर देखा, वो टाइगर से टी को हमेशा याद रखेगा। टी फॉर टाइगर, कैपिटल टी, स्मॉल टी। राइट टोफू? Yes, ma'am. I will never forget. Capital T, small t. I will always remember this letter, ma'am. Ma'am, I daily do practice at home. Ma'am, मैं डेली घर पर पढ़ रहा हूँ, अपनी मम्मी के पास बैठकर। Very good, Tofu. Good, very good. Tofu is a good boy. Tofu is a good boy. Raju, did you do your homework? Yes, I have done my homework. Ma'am is coming. Ma'am is coming. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Right? We are good, ma'am. How are you, ma'am? I am also good. Have you done your homework? Okay. Let us learn now. U to Z, capital and small letters. Okay? So look at the board. All of you read these letters loudly. Okay? See children, look at here. This is capital U and small u. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. Okay, now your turn. Read this letter and see the difference between these two letters, capital U and small u. Okay? Capital
Yes,
U,
ma'am.
small u. U for
Capital U,
umbrella.
small u. U for umbrella.
Good, very good. Now see the next letter. Okay, children? See here. This is capital V, small v. V for vegetables. V for van. Now you read these letters.
Okay, ma'am.
V, capital V, small v. V for vegetables. V for van. Ma'am, we understood these letters. So, next letter is capital W, small w. W for watch. W for water.
Ma'am, now my turn is there. Capital W, small w. W for watch. W for vegetables. Am I right, ma'am? Ma'am, this is a X. X for Xmas tree. X for X-ray. Capital X, small x.
See next letter, children. Capital Y, small y. Y for yak. Y-A-K, yak. Did you understand, children?
Mama, this is capital Y and this is small y. Y for yak.
Dear children, this is the last letter of English alphabet. Okay? Read. Capital Z, small z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo.
Yes, ma'am. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. This is a capital Z and small z. Okay, ma'am?
Okay, children, now our class is done. But at home, you should do practice. Okay? Reading practice and writing practice. Okay? While writing, you read all the letters and write very neatly, correctly. Okay? Good students. Thank you.